How to uninstall Kdenlive from your computer. First of all, make sure Kdenlive is completely closed before you start the uninstallation process. Next, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then press Enter. Inside the Control Panel, click on Programs and then select Program and Features. This will show you a list of all installed programs on your computer. Scroll down the list until you find Kdenlive. Click on it once to highlight it, then click the Uninstall button located above the list. A confirmation window will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with uninstalling Kdenlive. This will remove the program files from your system. After the uninstallation completes, it's a good idea to restart your computer to clear any leftover processes. Note that your saved projects and media files are not deleted during this process. If you want to remove those, you need to delete them manually from your folders. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall Kdenlive from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.